Now, how do you come to taste it? Well, that's slightly different. When you're out there in the marketplace, in the bars, clubs, and what have you, you need to really put it in one of these lovely glasses. Make sure it's a generous measure. Now, unfortunately, we've got a few problems out there. Because number one is when you're talking to your friends, suddenly you hear this noise. Ice. Into the glass, and what we've got now? We've got Scotch on the rocks. And what's it done to it? It's completely frozen it. So when you smell it, taste it, it's actually anesthetized and chilled all the flavor. So you don't need it. Ice is not for White Mackay. What you need to do is to put it in a glass. Then what you do is you take good, clear, chilled, still water. Not truly chilled, but just enough. So when you pick up a jug, the important thing is to always test it, to make sure the water is slightly chilled. Because quite often when I go to many bars and what have you, restaurants and hotels, quite often the water is actually warm. So then you take the whiskey and you reduce it down to 38% alcohol. 38% alcohol. Remember, the blend is between 4 and 8 years old. So you take the whiskey, you put it in the mouth. And bring it down. And let that warmth, that softness, that richness, that mellowness, that wonderful quality, let it shine through. And you'll quickly find that White Mackay is not just any blend. It truly, as it says in the tin here, it is special.